Well, hello there, friends. Today is Friday the 13th. It is also the full harvest moon, and by the time you see this video, it'll probably already be October. I got another tattoo. Well, I've gotten like 4 since I did my last tattoo vlog. Is that what it was called? I don't remember. You see it? I don't know. Ow. Are you seeing it? Can you see it? I'm a basic bitch. I'm doing a makeup video today. So, if you saw my last makeup video, I failed pretty dang hard. Anywho's, so I really wanted to do another makeup video because I've always been interested in makeup, even though I'm not very good at it. It's just something that I've always had a interest and fascination with. So today I'm going to be asking Pinterest to pick a makeup look for me. Let's get started. So we're just gonna open up my handy dandy Pinterest app right here. And we're just gonna type in simple glam makeup. Alrighty, we got a lot to choose from. I think I'm gonna go with this look because I feel like I have all of the products needed for this look. See it? It's like very soft pink, brown, like fall transition color. I don't know. Alrighty, let's do this. Giovanni, is that you? So weird. I thought I heard like a dog whimpering, but like there's nothing there. It's the weirdest thing ever. I'm gonna be using this palette from Sephora, and I've had it for a very long time. Okay, it shows that she has her nose contoured. I'm not very good at contour. I'm gonna try it, but I'm not gonna make any promises. What am I doing? Why am I looking at it in the camera? I should be doing the mirror. I don't even freaking know what I'm doing. Just to give this thing a last try. Okay, so I've done fake eyelashes once. I ended up buying these really cheap eyelashes. So if things don't go as planned, I'm not gonna be upset about it because I spent $2 on them. I bought these ones because I feel like these are very natural. They're gonna give me like a nice little, you know what I mean? Okay, my camera keeps wanting to die on me, so I'm just gonna have to make this reveal as quick as possible. Are you ready? I don't think I did that bad. I really don't. Does it look like the picture? No. But I will say, I really like these eyelashes. They're a little weird to get used to because I keep touching like the tops here. But these are the eyelashes that I want for reals. Like, these eyelashes are amazing. Let's do the bottom lash really quickly to get like a actual final look. I didn't do anything. Oh, hello, focus on me, camera. I'm the center of attention. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. The button is down yonder. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My handle name is @GGandJasmine. I'll put the information right here for you. And what else am I supposed to tell you? I think that's it. I'm gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. This is what her face looks like. Can you see it? It's not that great. I tried. It's not focusing on me because of the lighting, but I look nothing like the picture. How do you think I did? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Let me know. Oh well, bye!